Chapter 1. The Human Body. Anurag often wondered about his body. He thought, there are so many parts in the body. Which is the most important one? Lastly, he decided to ask his teacher. Next day in the school, he asked his teacher, Madam, could you please tell me which is the most important part of our body? Sure, Anurag. But first you must know what the different parts of our body are and what functions they perform. Then you can decide yourself which the most important one is. The teacher showed a picture of human body and asked Anurag to name its different parts. He did it easily. The parts you named are known as the external parts of our body because one can see them. Now tell me, Anurag, which part of your body enables you to see the picture?
My eyes, madam.
Correct. Eyes are a very important part of the body. They enable us to see everything that surrounds us. They help us to see different colors. They also help to determine whether an object is near or far. Our eyes enable us to see things. Eyes help us to differentiate between colors. Eyes also enable us to determine whether a thing is near or far. Anurag, now you tell me whether eyes can do something else too?
Yes, madam. We can also show our feelings using our eyes.
Eyes also help us to express our feelings such as happiness, sorrow, and anger.
So, madam, are the eyes most important part of our body?
Hold on, Anurag. Not so fast. Now, take ears. Ears again are very important part of our body. They enable us to hear different sounds. You are able to hear your favorite songs because you have ears. While crossing the road, you are able to hear the sound of a vehicle coming behind you because of your ears. Thus, your ears also help you to avoid road accidents. Ears enable us to hear. Ears help us to differentiate between sounds.
Thank you, madam. I was not aware that my ears are so useful. Now, what about the nose?
Anurag, importance of your tiny nose is far bigger than its size. It helps you in breathing. Try to close your nose with your fingers for some time. After a little while, you will get suffocated and will be forced to release it.
And madam, it is the nose that allows us to smell various things. We are able to smell the fragrance of all those beautiful flowers and our favorite food with our nose.
Excellent, Anurag. You are learning fast. Nose helps us to breathe. Without breathing, we cannot survive. Nose helps us to smell different things. Now, Anurag, tell me what you can do with your hands.
Madam, hands help us to write, catch, hold, throw, clap, etc.
Right, Anurag. Hands are also very important. But that is not all. You need to move from one place to another.
Let me guess something, madam. You are going to tell us about legs, right?
Tell me the things you can do with your legs.
We can do many things with the legs. We walk, run, play, and dance with the help of our legs.
Correct again, Anurag. Our legs help us to move from one place to another. They also enable us to do many other essential and recreational activities. Legs enable us to move from one place to another. Now, Anurag, I shall tell you about the part you have used most during this discussion. Can you guess which part I am thinking of?
Allow me a moment, madam. I think, madam, you are talking about the mouth.
Well done, Anurag. Your mouth helps you in many important activities. You speak using your mouth. You eat and drink with your mouth. You taste food with the help of your tongue. Teeth inside our mouth helps us to chew food.
Madam, I think skin is also important as it covers our whole body.
Skin is one among the 5 sense organs of the body. Other 4 are eyes, nose, ears and tongue. Our skin helps us to differentiate between hot and cold, smooth and rough, etc.
Oh, that's why we withdraw our hands immediately whenever we touch a hot object. It is the skin that gives us the sense of touch.
In addition to these, our body has various other parts. Ankle, elbow, knee, fingers, thighs, etc. are some of them. Each part plays a distinct role in functioning of our body. Now you have learnt about most of the body parts. You should be able to tell which one of them is the most important.
Madam, now I realize that every part is essential. Without even any one of them, our life will be very difficult. I understand that they are all equally important.